Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. Mail order is exploding. I Keep It All is exploding. The $1,000 cash solution is exploding. The 200 United Flyer is exploding. Folks, I've got proof all over the place. I'm going to open up some packages that just came in today. I Keep It All, and you know what's inside there, folks. There's your tracking number. And great things are happening. So we want to get after it in this video. Stay tuned. Stay with me for a few minutes, folks. It'll be well worth it. We're going to go through some strategies. And we're going to talk about a success strategy for IKeepItAll.com and anything else that you're marketing. We're going to show you how to be successful in 2023 beyond your wildest imaginations. Stay tuned. We'll talk about it on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. Turn your speakers up. IKeepItAll.com is a program that you're going to start getting $1,000 payments over and over and over again. We're going to go through some income examples. Folks, this is like maybe $1,600 day to day. It's incredible. And we want to share it with you with IKeepItAll.com, the $100 solution flyer just exploding. And we're at the beginning of a movement that's so big. We want you to partner alongside of us. And you do it over and over and over again. You mail, and then you mail again. You tell somebody, you send it to somebody on Facebook, you do a video, whatever it takes, you expose. Folks, it's just a numbers game. That's all it is. It's just a numbers game. The more you put out, the more people will come and partner alongside of you. I've never in my life been so excited about so many programs. It's just incredible as to what we've got going on. My strategy is, and Kurt has also said it too, down in Florida, residual income and also not only just residual income, we're talking about being able to market big ticket opportunities on the front end, on the back end, build the longer, slower income residual programs of our dreams on the backside. That's my strategy. That's what I want to do. I'm talking about having bill paying money to this week, right now. And then as we build the programs that it's going to take us to build the income of our dreams, like the supplement grids, things that's on the back end, and any other residual income program. Income disclaimer, folks, we're going to show you what we believe that you can make, but income disclaimer, in this life, nothing happens until you take action, massive action, and do a lot of it. Folks, I'm telling you, here are a few of my postcards that we're getting ready. We've got all stamped, mail, and ready to go to the post office. I'm getting ready to open up a package. Somebody got one of my postcards in the mail for IKeepItAll.com. If you can mail this postcard, right here and do it over and over again, guys, you can start getting unlimited $1,000 payments in the mail. And I could not be more excited about it. If you can mail a postcard and or flyer and do it over and over again, you can win. So we're excited about what we've got going on. I've got a strategy. I got a step-by-step plan, blueprint for success. And we're going to go over it here in this video. So give me about 15 minutes, guys, gals. I'm going to run around quick. We're going to touch bases on this flyer here. This thing is on fire, folks. Get involved with it. I mean, wow. I'm going to show you some proof of what just came in. And here is the strategy. You're going to find, I got people calling, guys, right now in the video. Hang on, I'll pause. One of my strategies is, guys, right up front here, find a system that flat out works. Number one, find something that absolutely works. Find low, middle, and high ticket programs. If you really want to make great income from home, folks, this is the strategy. Low, middle, and high ticket programs simultaneously. Maybe 2 or 3 programs, maybe 2 or 3. Some people preach one. And if people preach one and that's who you're following, guys, I'm not going to knock against it. But what I do is find at least a low ticket, a middle ticket, and a high ticket program, and a combination of both. And folks, you drive traffic utilizing solo ads with a lead capture page. I use traffic exchange, postcards, You can use Facebook. I don't use Facebook. You go to my Facebook page now, guys. I don't talk anything about home-based business, but I could every now and then. I do post something about my business, but I don't do it all the time because I like Facebook, but I don't market a lot on Facebook. But just drop traffic. You can do a video, YouTube, Twitter, whatever. Just expose people to the business. And you repeat the process. You find out what works for you and do it over and over and again. I like postcard marketing. Somebody just got a postcard, called me the other day, say, I got your postcard. Does it work? And of course, I'm going to tell them, absolutely yes. It does work. And how well does it work? Can you mail a postcard? Can you do it over and over and over again? Don't go out there and mail 20 postcards and tell me your dreams didn't come true. Give yourself time to succeed, folks, in any business. Repeat the process, do it over and over again, and get paid. I got some resources here of some mailing lists. Let me show you this, folks. I'm getting ready to open up the proof. Give me a minute or two. I ordered these names from Wilson's List. Here's one of the mailing lists that I use. And I order them in blocks of 5,000 at a time. 5,000. Now look here. I've got another mailing list that I use. Bill Henderson, Data Marketing. And Bill sent this to me. There was 3,000 names here. And they look like this. They come on pill and stick labels. Look at those leads, folks. That's 3,000. And I just do it over and over and again. And that's the secret, guys. I just do it over and over again. My strategy is on Monday, I drop maybe 100 postcards. Wednesday, I drop 100 postcards. Friday or Saturday, I drop another 100. And sometimes if I mail a little bit more, I spread my mailings out. Meaning that I don't go out and just put 500 postcards in the box at one time. But I put out like maybe 100 on Monday, 100 on Wednesday, 100 on Thursday and Friday. Sometime I drop maybe 75 on Tuesday, and then I'll skip and go to Thursday. I put every other day. But in other words, I spread it out. I don't mail all 500 at one time. And it seems like when you have a flow of mailing, it has worked wonders for me and my business. I could not be more excited. Let's get into these payments here, guys. I showed you that. I covered that information. And welcome Michael to the program. Michael, welcome to the program. Get this thing opened up and see what Michael sent to us in the mail. Be careful, folks. Do not tear money. Okay, here is the envelope. Cover up the information. Timothy Thomas. Here's the stamps, guys. When you look at this, folks, when you join, you get 12 books of stamps. I guess he sent them in. Look at this, folks. 12 books of stamps. He sent them in I guess, a roll, and it equals out. I'll count them later. There's 12 books. You send 6 books to the admin of the company. 6 books to the admin of the company, and you keep 6 books for yourself. Let's open this up. Here is an official check. And let's cover this information up. Hang tight. And I'm going to show you what we got here. An official check for $1,000. $1,000. And there's another check for the admin payment in here also. Folks, can you mail a postcard? As you look through the videos, guys, iKeepItAll.com, when you go and you Google iKeepItAll.com postcard Timothy, all my videos will come up where I have welcome member after member after member after member, and it just flat out works. Period. The program works, and if you can mail a postcard, you can win. I'm excited. Now, that's iKeepItAll.com. We have a marketing system. We have a website. Now, this is optional. This is optional that you can buy solo ads like over at Udemy or any Hercules List or any solo ad provider. You can run traffic, meaning people put their name and email address and they'll get a drip campaign. If they don't join the first day, The autoresponder will follow up with them for the next year. I've got some people that joined the $1,000 data solution. Folks, you get Deidre joined down in Texas. You send $100 to 4 people. That is $100 to person number 1, person number 2, person number 3, and then $100 to the person number 4, which is the admin of the company. And you're going to get in position number 1, folks. You can leverage yourself. Have thousands of people mailing this flyer. You can literally go out and recruit 10 people, and then they start moving their flyer. You're going to rotate to position number 3. You will always be on your personally sponsored member flyers forever. For example, like Deidre, I'm attached to Deidre forever. As long as she mail this flyer, as long as she stay in the program, 10 years, 15 years, everything she does, I'm in number 2. Can you imagine she go get 10 people, and then they go get 10, 15, 25, 30 people, folks? Great times are ahead. Do you want to, how many of you rather mail a few flyers than go work 8, 10 hours on a job that's not going to pay you for what you're worth? Now, I tell all people all the time, folks, don't go around and quit your job tomorrow. But put yourself on a path that if you get good at this, you can do it full time. And what does full time look like for me? 2 hours a day at max. Hour and a half, sometime an hour. Upload a video, mail a few postcards, and I'm done. Off to Chick-fil-A, the mall, Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, wherever life takes me, my time is mine. Folks, I worked in corporate America for years. But when I found a better way to leverage time, flyers, wealth, and build wealth, rich dad, poor dad, people utilize money and systems to make them more money. If you're out there working for money, I shake my head. Here is somebody joined what we called, here's one of the smaller programs. This is the $20 cash, well, $10 cash machine. They sent in $20 there. It's a $20 cash, one of the money orders that came in this week. Could not be more excited. Hang on tight. I got some more proof. This is incredible. Woo. Got something here. One of our members, $1,000 a week solution flyer. And there lies a $100 money order. There's one. All right. I'll set that over there and we'll put them all together in just a minute. Hang on tight. Can you mail a flyer, folks? Can you do it over and over again? Here is another one. Welcome, Harry, to the program. Harry, if you're watching the video, we got it. Where you come in, Harry sent in a $100 money order. Folks, this is incredible. Let's go over here. And look, we can even do mailings for you. We can even do the mailings for you. Here is another payment that came in. Whew. Okay. And folks, I don't do a proof video every day because it can become redundant. I don't want to like be flashy or anything, but just to show you that this happens on a consistent basis. Here is another $100 money order from the 100 cash machine flyer. And there was another one. I didn't bring it in, but here we go, guys and gals. Just incredible times. As 4 of those money orders come in today. Can you mail a flyer or a postcard and do it over and over and over again? Well, if you said yes, you can win. So big, beyond your wildest imagination. Looking for that. There was another money order laying around here, guys. I'm looking for it, but I'll pick it up somewhere after the video. Let me see. This might be it. Let's see. It's another $100 money order I laid around somewhere, but hey, no worries. This is what can happen for you, the new reality of what's possible. And you do it over and over again. Now, look at this. Here is one of my lead resources. Let me show you this, and I'm going to get off the video. I had enough of your time. Here's one of my lead resources over here. Leads by Mountain Marketing.com. If you want a copy of the $100 a day, $1,000 per week solution flyer, just email me. Information below the video. Here, she has mailing labels, leads for you, ready to go. She can do email marketing for you. They're in-house leads. They've been in business for 15 years, and these leads have been proven to work. You can get on her mailing list, and you can even call her, and she can get you the leads. She's got self address stamp right there, return labels, and you can win. That's how this thing works. I could not be more excited about it. IKeepItAll.com right here. There's the lead capture page that you can get. Let me go back to the actual web page. Let me find it. Here we go. IKeepItAll.com and the $1,000 a week solution flyer are rocking and rolling. Could not be more excited. Get started today. Let's help you win beyond your wildest imagination. Great times are up ahead, and I want you to partner with me on today. And let's help people. It ain't about how much money you can make, folks. It's how much people you can help. You'll reap what you sow. It's all about sowing and reaping. Zig Ziglar said, he had it right, help enough people get what they want, and you can have everything like that you want. So welcome all new members to any of these programs that I'm running. Welcome all new members. We want to welcome you to the team in advance, and we're going to work partner side you. Get a hold of me. My phone number is listed below. Text me. Call me. If you can't get a hold of me, I'll call you right back. If I don't answer instantly, I'll call you back within the hour, sometime within a few minutes. But, it depends on what I got going on. But we'll help you get started. All right, folks, if you enjoyed the video, would you give it a thumbs up? If you found value, give it a thumbs up. And bye for now. Get started today. And bye for now until the next video.